Hello, my name is Edgar Mengelberg and I'm a software support engineer for IBM Maximo Support Services. After watching this video, you will be able to increase the size of the workflow designer canvas in Maximo 7.1. Maximo is also known as base services, so as we can see here, I'm using for this demonstration the most recent version 7.1.113. This is no longer applicable to Maximo 7.5 or base services 7.5, as in those versions upwards the size of the workflow canvas is auto-corrected by the size of the screen that you use. So apart from knowing how to increase the size of the workflow designer canvas, you can obviously also reverse the action to decrease the size of the workflow designer canvas. And it will also show you in this video how to import an XML file into the application designer, as well as how to export an XML file into the application designer. So let's start with the basics. Let's go to the system configuration, platform configuration, workflow designer. In here, for this example, I will use the ISM accept process. So as you can see here, you need to scroll to the left and right and top and bottom. So in this, it appears that this workflow process is built for the 1024 by 768 resolution, but in my use case scenario, the end user screen is larger than the user. And the user obviously wants to have that fitting, so he likes to be able to see the entire workflow without having to shrink it down to 25%. And in order to do so, what we need to do is go to the system configuration again, platform configuration, and this time to application designer. We're bringing up the workflow design application. As you can see here, there's a canvas button, and basically in application designer you can add or resize fields, rename or add object names, and so here you can see, for example, the names that are involved with the canvas. So what we need to do now is we'll go to the top here, and we need to click on the export XML definition option on the toolbar. Save that workflow design XML somewhere convenient. So in my case, I will do it to the desktop, and I will open it with WordPad. We'll need to bring the workflow canvas up. So this is basically the part where all the stuff for the workflow canvas is set up. So let's put it here, leave some space, and what we need to put in now is the width and the height. So for my example, let's put the width as 1000. Make sure you don't make any typos. And let's make the height 600. So we put the width equal sign double colon 1000 colon space height equals double colon 600 double colon. Save that. Back to your desktop. And now we're going back to application design, and basically we need to import it. So we go to the import application definition option on toolbar this time. Browse for that workflow design XML that you saved and modified on your desktop. Bring that in. A couple of things we need to look for, so make sure that you get the designer successfully imported message, so you know that's done. But that's not all you need to save this, otherwise it won't be committed to the database. Save that. Make sure you get the record has been saved message. And now let's go back to that ISM accept process in the workflow designer to show you the difference in size. So bring up that ISM accept process again. Here we are. So now you can see you don't have to scroll down anymore left and right, just only at the bottom, not on the side. It's much bigger now, so it fits the larger screen that the user in this example uses. So I hope that you found this video useful. If so, if you want to show your appreciation, that would be great by clicking the thumbs up. And thank you for watching this video today.